A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed, and oftentimes public digital ledger that is used to record transactions across many computers. Blockchain can simplify data management by creating a trusted digital ledger that all parties agree on. As mentioned earlier, blockchain provides distributed database where everyone can add but no changes allowed. This is really helpful in the areas where data tampering is happened. Many people think blockchain is a technology that powers cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is capable of doing many things. Blockchain is the future. However, blockchain technology remains a quickly growing area of growth for companies. Let's see some examples where blockchain plays a prominent role in the futuristic innovations of technology. A cryptocurrency exchange is a trading venue that allows its clients to buy, sell, and sometimes store. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where traders can exchange cryptocurrencies for other cryptocurrencies or paper currency like the USD or Euro. The process of exchange is usually based on the market value of the particular asset. However, exchanges can differ in their pricing process. For example, some may provide a flat rate but charge additional fees depending on the preferred payment method. Blockchain technology used in cars. The experience of leasing, buying, or selling a vehicle is a notoriously fragmented process for stakeholders on all sides of a transaction, but the blockchain could change that process. And also the technology of driverless cars. The role of blockchain in this system is more like ensuring the transparency of data transfer and protecting against all kinds of manipulation. How is blockchain used in banking? Banks serve as the critical storehouses and transfer hubs of value. As a digitized, secure, and tamper-proof ledger, blockchain could serve the same function, injecting enhanced accuracy and information sharing into the financial services ecosystem. The blockchain is essentially a distributed ledger where each block contains a timestamp and holds batches of individual transactions with a link to a previous block. This technology would eliminate some of the current crimes being perpetuated online today against our financial institutions. How blockchain used in messaging services? Telegram Open Network is a blockchain platform of Telegram instant messaging system. The platform is protected by a built-in proxy and anonymizer. The list of services offered includes messaging, cryptocurrency, and many others. And also blockchain 4.0 technology based on the Hashgraph data structure has gradually attracted the attention of industry community. The consensus algorithm based on Hashgraph can achieve a qualitative growth in transaction throughput and scalability. The blockchain will become the infrastructure of industry and form a consolidated ecosystem. How blockchain used in voting system? Elections require authentication of voters' identity, secure record keeping to track votes, and trusted tally to determine the winner. In the future, blockchain tools could serve as a foundational infrastructure for casting, tracking, and counting votes. This technology aims to prevent election fraud by using a custom blockchain record. How is blockchain used in advertising? Every day we read data breach scandals by ad tech vendors. We are getting tracked every day with hidden cookies and permissions we give unconsciously. Blockchain came into action to provide transparency while serving ads and paying for the real human interactions on the ads, not automated traffic. Blockchain offers a secure environment for the advertisers and the publishers and allows them to connect the right audience and make safe transactions. How blockchain used in education systems. Deploying blockchain solutions in education could streamline verification processes, thereby reducing fraudulent claims of unearned educational credits. Thank you for watching my video.